Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a trip on the Slopes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the logbook button down below, which is the third option. Click on this calendar icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on trip. Tap on start to indicate the starting date and then the end too. Click on the button create in the upper right corner of the screen, and here is your trip added to the activities section. Here you can find the visited places on the map and the time spent here, key stats, averages and bests too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.